Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn different ways to choose a plane in Solidworks. We have a quick selection right here, front plane, top and right. And for example, I want to choose the front plane and just need to click and choose sketch. And now this circle that I'm gonna sketch is gonna be in the front plane. But then I have two options. It's either cancel the sketch or quit the sketch but then save whatever I've done in here. For now, we're going to choose this one. And for example, if I want to delete it, it's so easy. You just come on the sketch and click right, choose delete, yes. The second way, you go to the toolbar sketch and you have a list right here, sketch and 3D sketch. For the 3D sketch, we're going to see it in another video, but for now, we're going to choose sketch. And for a better view, I'm going to choose isometric. So I have three planes. You just need to click once on the plane you want to work on. For example, I'm gonna choose the right plane. And I'm gonna make a circle again so I can see the other option. So if I cancel it, so it's like I've done nothing. All right. So the third way to choose a plane, you go all the way to the toolbar features and you have two features are still activated. Extruded and Revolved. So let's start with extruded. So once I click in here, again for a better view, isometric, and then I'm going to choose top plane, and I'm going to choose a circle. And now what will happen when I go out of the sketch, it will forward me automatically to the feature I've chosen in the first place, which is extruded. And now I can specify the height 20. Okay. All right, I'm gonna delete the feature and I'm gonna have to delete the sketch also. Now let's choose revolved. Again, it's the same process, right plane. I'm gonna choose a circle again, but this time I just want a half a circle, align and trim. And now when I go out, again, I'm automatically forwarded to the feature I've chosen in the first place, but I need to specify the axis of revolution, which is, in this case, I wanted this one, and we have a nice ball. This is it for this video. See you in the next video.